Alright, wait till you see this. There's two of them. I can't believe this. Thought one was crazy, now we got two. Top one up there, it's got a black head instead of a white one, but the rest of his body looks the same. So it's probably a male and a female right there. This is crazy. If we see a third one, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. There he is. That's crazy. Two woodpeckers. Barely ever see them around here too, and now I got two of them picking at my shed. They're talking to each other. That's unbelievable. There aren't too many unbelievable things that happen around here, but that right there is one of them.